The Rural Technology Action Group, RUTAG, is an initiative of the Office of the Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India since 2004. RUTAG, supported by the Office of the PSA, was conceptualized as a mechanism to provide a higher level of S&T intervention and support for rural areas. Under this initiative, the interventions are designed to be primarily demand-driven, focusing on bridging technology gaps at the grassroots level, upgrading technology, and providing training and demonstrations through innovative projects.
In India, a popular way of selling the fresh fruits and vegetables is through the local vendors, where the vendors would procure these fresh produces in small quantity and display on the wooden or metal platform of a pulling vending cycle, and then move around the colonies of the residential areas of urban as well as semi-urban areas throughout the day. Using the existing method, vendors face numerous challenges in their daily lives, including, but not limited to, storage, weather conditions, correct upkeep of goods, and so on. The product gets constantly exposed to sunlight, heat, and dust, resulting in shorter shelf life. In these situations, the vendor must either sell the product at a lesser price or discard it, resulting in a financial loss. Another issue is a lack of adequately labeled storage or divisions for various categories of goods. Certain fruits and vegetables require proper cooling, and without a cooling storage unit for these would result in reducing their shelf life. To overcome the above-stated problems, Office of the PSA and Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, approached various IITs. RUTAG IIT Madras has also taken up the project and undertaken initiatives to furnish technology for implementing retrofit solutions for fruit and vegetable vending carts. These endeavors are guided by Professors Rajiv Sharma, G. Venkataratnam, and Abdus Samad. Several improvements have been made to the existing cart to make it more advanced, which includes the following. To design the retrofit solution for the fruits and vegetable vending cart with optimal display area. To implement a thermal insulation or cooling mechanism to increase the shelf life. To design the vending cart with improved ergonomics and design features for easy maintenance. The proposed solution helps the vendors in creating an optimal display area in carts, which helps to improve visibility. Using trapezoidal design, the display area of the cart has been enhanced. Additionally, we have incorporated modular racks to maximize visibility and optimize the available space. A thermal insulation or cooling mechanism has been implemented, and thereby optimal cooling is achieved without electricity for 24 hours duration, which increases the shelf life of the fruits and vegetables. The design also prioritizes lighter weight for easy handling by women vendors, along with a modular rack and foldable display area that is ergonomically designed for simple maintenance and cleaning. The total implementation cost for the retrofitted vending cart works out to be 28,000, excluding the cooling unit. The project's societal impact encompasses several key achievements. Initially, field trials for the three-wheeler vending cart developed at RUTAG IIT Madras were carried out with vendors in Triplicane, who showed keen interest in purchasing it. The modularity of the new design and additional features like the canopy, cooling chamber, and larger display area have been found to be useful by the vendors. Ms. Sarala, who has been selling fruits and vegetables in IIT Madras campus using existing cart for the past 10 years, has bought the three-wheeler retrofit vending cart developed at RUTAG. And her feedback demonstrates the importance of customized design, which can address unique needs of individual, and was able to sell a wider range of products, including cool drinks and dairy products in summer. Ms. Sarala's experience is a great example of how design can empower individuals and businesses to enhance their operations and increase their income. Overall, the widespread adoption of our technology has met the needs of the vendors and provided them with a functional and efficient cart design that has improved their work experience.